Hey, how you doing? This is Trey Thornton. Hey, I just wanted to make a video, give you all a little insight on what to do with your profit passports. Uh, if you're in, if you're not in yet, I just want to give you a little rundown on it. Give you a little review on it. Some of you have signed up and maybe having problems on what to do next. And how to get started. I'm not going to break the whole thing down, but I'm going to just we're going to probably just go into how to get step number one done, and then maybe we can move on from there. I'll do another video on how to get step two done, and then 3 and 4 and 5. But it's real simple. This program is awesome. I've been in about 7 days now. And all I have to do, really, guys, is drive traffic to my link, and that's it. Everything else with David, which you'll hear a lot of his name. You've probably already seen it if you've already opted in. You've seen his videos and his emails. Well, and everything on the back end he handles. So I don't have to do really anything else except for sign up, set all the stuff up, and start driving traffic. And that's it. It's really simple. And let me just show you my profit right here. This is, let's see, going back. Let me see how far this goes back. That pretty much, hopefully you can see this. Just got going not too long ago. Let's see, this goes back to the 19th, which is 8 days. Somewhere in there, man. There's however many there is there, like 10, and I think it's like 30 a page. So I'm looking at like almost 70 signups in here. And this thing right here is just awesome because I didn't have to do anything except for come in at the highest level in Easy 1-Up, which I'm going to go over here in a little bit. But some of you are probably in here. Some of you you're unpaid and you need to get paid and get going. Here's all of the different systems you come in and sign up the income streams and get them going. But I was just going to go over number one. There's the video. I don't know if you've gone through this. Good information on how to set all this up. Once you set it up, guys, this is just driving traffic to your link right here. That's it. There's just really nothing else to do. I also wanted to show the Facebook group. Y'all need to get in there. You can see people doing sales like all the time. Let me go to that real quick. Let's see, where is it at? Yeah, we like sales are popping in there like every day on a mass degree. So this is pretty good. I mean, I was a little skeptical myself at first, but from what I've seen, it's a really awesome program. Oh, here's the guy right here. But I just friended this guy. This guy's been doing really good. His name is Paulo. So this is David's group. It's a private group. Once you get in Passport Profits, at some point you get invited to it. But as you can see right here, you can just go through here. You see the date on these. These are happening like every day. That's how Easy 1-Up. That's ROI Panel, which is another income stream. That's Easy 1-Up. Easy 1-Up. Easy 1-Up. So I'm going to just go through Easy 1-Up and show y'all how to get that set up. But let's see here. Guys, these are happening like all the time. You need to get in this thing and get it going. If you need help, reach out to me. Let me know. Man, this is good. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long. Let me get over to, so once you get here, this is after you have opted in and set up your account. It should take you to this page with the video. You've probably seen
So I want
this.
to officially welcome you to this webinar. My name is David Deacle, and today we're going to be discussing the easiest way to start getting up to 2,000
So there that is. You just go through that, guys, and he explains all this. But we're going to talk about income stream number one and how to get it rolling. And this is the main one you want to get started, because this is where if you should see the bonuses, which are just insane. I mean, oh my gosh, they're great. All you have to do is come in at the 2000 level on Easy One Up. I'm going to show you Easy One Up. So once you get, real quick, once you get here, you click on this, and it will take you to Easy One Up. Now it'll show you who invited you. This is who invited me, but I've already created an account, so I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to go over that. Yeah, that would you would create your account. Oh, let me see if there's anything in here I need to explain to you guys. No, just it'll have the person who invited you. Put in your information, phone number, what your username is, and your password, and then hit the agree, and then you hit start. Real simple. Like David says in the video. I mean, none of this stuff is hard. It's real simple. Let me see here. Where's my easy one? There it is. So here's my account right here. Get in here. Up. Boom. There's the back office. So as you can see, I have members in here. They're all unpaid right now, but that's alright. We'll get some paid ones in here pretty soon. But you can see that I did come in at the highest level, which is the Vertec Live. If you come in at that, that's $2,000 to get started with that. And then there's a $500 processing or fee for the system here. But here's the cool thing: is if you come in at Vertec, you open up all these levels. So I opened up all these. These are all different prices, and I'm not sure what they are. You'll see them when you first come in, because it'll tell you how much each one is. You can actually go over here to your product tab and go through each one of these. But all of these opened up once I came in at the highest level. And then also for coming in at the highest level, I got all of David's bonuses, which are just insane, crazy. I'm not going to go through them all, but they're awesome. They're really helping push this business pretty quick. So let me see here, back to the dashboard. But some of you may be even in here. I'm not sure. But once you get in here, you can go to this welcome video right here and watch it. It'll go through everything on this page, but it'll also tell you the different plans here, and what all they really include, really, guys, is there's a bunch of videos and stuff that you can go through that teaches you different things on each level right here. Your integrator power, leadership authority, mind power. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff in here in every different level. But for coming in at the level that I did, which was Vertec Live, I got everything in here. Plus, I got all the bonuses from David. And this thing's just insane, and I'm pushing traffic to my site like every day now, so it's really good. But you want to get in here, you want to watch the video I showed you on the first page there, because when you come in unpaid, and then you're going to want to do whatever you're comfortable with. I think the lowest level is like $100. And then it goes up from there to 2,000 for the Vertec Live. So anywhere in between, but just know if you come in a lower level, you have to pay for each level if you want to go up. Or if you pay for this level, let's say you pay for Vertec, then you get enough money and you want to come in and Vertec Live, then you can do that. But you have to pay this and the fee over again for the system, which is usually, I think it's like $500 bucks at this level. I don't know what it is at the other levels, but you'll see when you get in here. So try to come in as high as you possibly can. These are all your sales pages, lead capture pages for this system. But you really don't need to even mess with any of that because you have it all set up. Once you get your thing set up, you're going to get this. You see where it says Trey Thornton? That's what my affiliate link is. So it's already set up to where all I do is take that and go back here and then place it in here and then hit save and update. And I'll save and update it. Now if you get confused on that, guess what? There's a little tutorial right here that you can go to. And David explains it again. So on how to do it, on how to take that and put it in there and hit save. So it's pretty simple, but hey, get in here. If you got questions on, Easy One Up, on profit passports, on what to do, on how to get started, on, what do I do, all that, and just reach out to me. I'm going to put a link in the bottom of this, so y'all can check it out. If you're not in yet, you can go ahead and go on that link. But if you are, and you're already one of the people that have signed up but haven't done anything yet, haven't got started, then just reach out to me. Let's get you started, man. I want to help you. I want you to get your dreams, goals, whatever there's a reason why you got on here. So we want to learn what that is, so we can help you and get you what you want. From using the system, which is, I've never seen this before, where all you have to do is drive traffic to a link and then all the back end stuff is handled. So it's very awesome. But if you do, information's at the bottom of this video. Look forward to speaking with you. You can email me, you can call me. I'd love to hear from you, see how we can help you. All right. Until next video, talk to you later.